BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF plans raise concerns about centralization, notes Arthur Hayes. According to a recent Tom Bilyeu interview with Arthur Hayes, co-founder of BitMEX, the possible entry of asset management behemoth BlackRock into the Bitcoin sector could reshape the leading cryptocurrency in ways that diverge from its original ethos. While traders and investors anticipate the approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF, which BlackRock is also contending for, Hayes highlighted concerns about the large-scale influence traditional finance could exert on Bitcoin, BlackRock's pending ETF, and the implications for Bitcoin. Arthur Hayes' warning comes as BlackRock, the world's largest asset management firm with assets totaling over several $1 trillion, awaits a decision from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) on its application for a spot Bitcoin ETF. While the SEC has postponed decisions on numerous such applications, including BlackRock's, as of September, it is expected to rule on them by early 2024. Will so much value and currency be owned by these centralized asset managers, who are essentially arms of the traditional finance ecosystem, that the underlying fundamentals of what Bitcoin is, the privacy, will those be altered? Hayes questioned the balancing act between traditional finance and crypto. Hayes' concern echoes a broader discourse in the crypto community around the tension between centralization and the foundational principles of Bitcoin. The initial idea behind the digital currency was to offer an alternative to traditional financial systems, free from centralized control. Hayes pointed out that the entry of firms like BlackRock into the Bitcoin scene may shift the balance of power, potentially undermining Bitcoin's key attributes such as censorship resistance and decentralization. The SEC's role in this scenario is key. While the financial community waits for the SEC's ruling, expected by early 2024, questions arise about how the approval of a Bitcoin ETF from a giant like BlackRock might influence the cryptocurrency in terms of centralization. The crypto veteran says that is the real crucible the digital asset industry will face going forward, Hayes remarked. The debate over Bitcoin's core principles. The ultimate issue, according to Hayes, is whether large asset managers like BlackRock, which are fundamentally part of the traditional financial ecosystem, might dilute the core tenets of Bitcoin. These tenets include its immutability, resistance to censorship, and most importantly, its decentralization. Will a BlackRock support through maybe ownership and large mining companies different sorts of improvement protocols detract from the immutability of the money, or the censorship resistance, or the decentralization? Hayes questioned in his interview. As the industry awaits the SEC's decisions on a range of Bitcoin ETF applications, including BlackRock's, Arthur Hayes' concerns shed light on an oft-overlooked angle: how the entry of large asset management firms could affect the very fabric of the cryptocurrency. While a spot Bitcoin ETF is broadly anticipated to attract investment into the crypto market, the conversation around the influence of traditional finance players like BlackRock on Bitcoin's inherent qualities is equally vital.